Well, good morning. Well, what's today? What? It is? Well, are you ready for us to check out? What? You got a long face. We've been here for a week. 100 days. That's a long time.
No, 189.
Ooh. You want to stay for a long time. There's a lot of people back home that would miss us. Silly Billy. Well, we better go check out. Yeah. Grab us a little something to eat and get a ride to the airport.
Yep.
I love you, and I'll talk to you later.